So, I want to I want to emphasize that you should educate yourself. This is an obvious thing, but try to educate yourself such that when it comes time to fight the gods themselves, you can trade blows with them. The number one photographer on earth, should you put him against me in a photo shoot, I should be able to beat him in a couple of photos. Or I should be able to equal him at least. This is the level that you should be at so that the opportunity meets your preparation. There's a quote I heard once. It says, luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Make sure the preparation is there. Then, yeah, and also make it very thorough. I've read I read 63 books on the subject of photography. Two of them are dictionaries, just so that I would be faster at reading other books. So my basic skills are definitely there. There's other skills that I've learned from different places and from my own action. But basically, I'm very well trained. And make sure that you are very well trained. Even if you don't have a degree or whatever, make it such that it doesn't matter. And you're definitely on the right track if you're doing this course. Oh my God, you're going to have such superpowers. um, but yes, make sure you're trained, you know?